You couldn't tell me my lips weren't popping though. Yes. Oof. I like this messy little thing going on right now. Let me get into this video, girl. Let me get into this video. I'm feeling her today. Yes, honey. Give it to him. Yes.
Tiger! Satan!
Dans internet, il y a qui fait le guide.
Après tu m'arrives, tu pago. Angeli ton pele, tu malasu. Tu malasu. Angeli ton pele, tu malasu. So, ebugo. Shower your blessing.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Silverline's Beauty Playbook. So today's video is going to be a trial and error type of video. I want to do one of those things that people do where it's like, I try to do this, but it's a fail, but I don't want this to be a fail. So we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to be using a product that I've never used before. And that product is by Candy Brow Bar, okay? What was it? December of 2018 was the very first time that I got my eyebrows tinted. I actually wanted to go to Candy Brow. They're located here in Atlanta. And I wanted to go to them because my sister had recommended them to go to for like a first time experience. And then when I went on their Instagram page, they had like a lot of beautiful brows that they had done. But then when I finally found the place, which is really, really hard to find, if you've ever been to their shop, it's located in a building that has multiple shops and nobody ever picks up the phone. So I called and nobody was answering. I had to finally call my sister and be like, girl, where is this place? So she finally told me where the place was. I got there. There were like 6 people in line in front of me. When I walked in, the owner of the shop never even said hello. I could just tell that she was probably just really busy with a lot of eyebrows to do, but at least, you know, acknowledge a person when they come in. Say, hello, hi, welcome. What would you like to get done? That type of stuff. But it was kind of like I walked in, kind of stood. Like, I already knew that I was not getting customer service. And in my mind, I was like, if I know that I'm not getting customer service once I walk through your door, I'll walk back out because I'm not giving you money for you to treat me any kind of way. So I was kind of disappointed because a lot of the eyebrows that I'd seen on Instagram, I was like, I really, really want to get my eyebrows did by her, by them, by whoever. But that didn't happen. So I ended up going to another place my sister recommended. And it was more like, I think Candy Brow they can do like black people eyebrows real good. And then this other place, she was like, it was like Indian people, and she kept saying, you want them natural, you want them natural. And I was like, I want them natural, but I want them to look fly, you know? And to be honest, natural eyebrows and fly eyebrows don't always go together. So it's like, she was like, don't worry, natural. We ended up doing 2 takes on the eyebrow tint, and it still didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. So, and she said it was supposed to last about a week and a half to 2 weeks, depending on how I treat it. But to be honest, I feel like it lasted me about a day. And after that, nobody even recognized that I had my eyebrows done because it didn't look like it. So Candy Brows was doing a sale, I think just like 20% off their product. And I was like, I know how to do my eyebrows, so why don't I just try doing it myself and see what happens? So that's why this could be a fail, because I've never used an eyebrow tint before. What I plan on doing is using the same techniques that I use for my own regular eyebrows when I'm filling them in, and see if that works. And then if that doesn't work, so there we go. So we got the step 1 is the tint, and the step 2 is the developer. And then it has instructions, I believe. Is this instructions? Okay. Disclaimer, this product may cause an allergic reaction or skin irritation, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I think I got it. I just read the instructions. And I am going to go clean my eyebrow real quickly with water and then come back. So you have the step 1, which is the tint. And then the developer is step 2, and they want you to mix. Why does this thing look used? Why is all, what's going on? Okay, it's not sealed. We're like, this thing look like it look a little beat up. I guess because it's in an iron, like a metal container, but it's looking a little bit like somebody was back there chewing on it. I got my tint in a dark brown. They have black, and I was like, who does black eyebrows anymore? I mean, I know some people still do black eyebrows, but that's not me. So, and then this is the developer. So the instruction says to mix these 2 together, equal parts. I thought they were gonna put that little stick they be using in the damn videos. That stick ain't in here. Y'all owe me a stick, honey. Let me tell you, I am nervous, honey. Ooh! Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and put my concealer around so that I don't go above the line and see how that turns out. I'm gonna comb these out so they look fly. Gotta start off fly. You know what? These type of things, you gotta act like you know what the F you doing. So I got some foil and I'm going to mix the product on the foil. It's gonna be my little plate, I guess. So I have like a small piece of foil here. Okay, so I just opened it. Oh, okay, honey, slow down. Oh. I try and just follow the trace right next to it. I have an equal amount of the product on here, but mix it into a cream paste. This looks gross. All right, that's not bad. It's pretty creamy. The tint seems runny, y'all. Seems really, really, really runny. I'm not gonna put too much in the front because I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm gonna start with the ends first. Okay, so guys, I believe I'm all applied. I'm not sure what my next step is here besides to just wait 7 to 20 minutes. I'm going to wait about that and I'll be back. All right guys, so it's been about 7 minutes or 8 minutes and I'm going to go ahead, I hope these things are moist. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the front part of my eyebrows so they don't look too thick, I guess. Okay, see a little bit of darkness, but I don't see much. I'm doing this thing right. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe the front part of my eyebrow. All right, I'm gonna wait another 12 minutes and that would put me about close to 20 minutes altogether. But I don't see anything. Excuse me. Okay guys, so it's been a total of 20 minutes now with this on and I'm going to go ahead and take it all off, okay? All right. I see a slight tint, but I'm gonna have to do this again. There's no way. There's no way that I just spent all that time and this is all I got. I don't know how much darker it's going to get, but we gonna see. Okay, so this is my second trial. I put a lot more on, and I guess since the tint has been sitting for a while on the foil, it feels like it's a little thicker, not as runny as the first time. So maybe I'll get a better stick of color. I don't know, but I'm going to wait 20 minutes and see what happens. the eyebrows are darker. I don't know if I'm happy with it. This one looks really good. I don't know if I should do it one more time. Okay, here it is. It's done. One more time. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Yeah, I am getting tired. Okay, it should not take this long to get a tint. Okay, so if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Okay. So this is what I get with 3 tries. I don't know if me adding the concealer helped the first couple sessions. Maybe I shouldn't have used the concealer. I would have liked for the tint to have been darker. It actually doesn't look bad. It looks like I would still have to fill my eyebrows in order to get them as dark as I want to get them. And this is my first trial. I feel like it's something that I can probably get better with time. You know what they look like? They look like eyebrows that you did and then you slept on and woke up and this is like the remnants of it. And I was hoping for them to look like eyebrows that just got dead. I mean, the only thing I'll say that I felt was a little bit of a tingle on the eyebrow area. It almost feels like the feeling you get when you apply relaxer to your hair, that tingly feeling you feel on your scalp, not burning, just more like a tingle. So you can definitely tell that something's on there, but it was never uncomfortable. I just hate that I had to go 3 tries with it. But I rather buy the products and try it at home myself than to continue to pay somebody at a store to get it done once and then it's only supposed to last you, they said, up to 2 weeks. But if it doesn't last up to 2 weeks, that's fine. I have the formula here. I mix it up again and try again. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this wasn't too much of a fail, but here it is. Mwah. Thank you for watching.